My name is Amol Paranspe and welcome to yet another exciting video from Money Matters Talks. जब भी हम टैक्स सेविंग के बारे में बात करते हैं, people relate it to insurance और ELSS यानी टैक्स सेविंग म्यूचुअल फंड्स. लास्ट वीक गौतम स्पोक अबाउट इंश्योरेंस और आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में. म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर नॉट जस्ट टैक्स सेविंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बट मच बियॉन्ड दैट. आखिर क्या होते हैं ये म्यूचुअल फंड्स? How do they work and how they can create wealth for you? Well, mutual funds are nothing but pool of money which is collected from people like you and me who share a common objective. This money collected is kept with a trust and managed by a professional fund manager. ये funds फिर invest होते हैं equities, bonds, government securities, etc. based on the fund objective और mandate. जो भी इनकम या गेन्स इस फंड्स पे जनरेट होते हैं are distributed among the investors by calculating the fund NAV, that is net asset value after deducting all the expenses. In short, mutual funds एक जरिया है या एक vehicle है to invest in different asset classes like equity, gold, debt, government securities, real estate, इंटरनेशनल एसेट्स एक्सेट्रा. लेकिन आज द नेम म्यूचुअल फंड हैज बिकम सिनोनिमस फॉर इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स. पीपल आइडेंटिफाई म्यूचुअल फंड्स एज ओनली इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स. बात करते हैं हिस्ट्री ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड्स इन इंडिया के बारे में. द म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया वाज स्टार्टेड इन 1963 विद फॉर्मेशन ऑफ UTI बाय एक्ट ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. यूनिट 64 US 64 was the first scheme launched by UTI, and by the end of 1988, UTI had 6,700 crores of assets under management. Later, government sector companies like LIC or PSU banks जैसे SBI and eventually private companies were allowed to enter the mutual fund space to launch different mutual fund schemes. Today, the mutual fund industry is represented by AMFI, that is Association of Mutual Funds in India, and regulated and governed by SEBI, that is Securities Exchange Board of India. आज इंडिया में बात करें तो there are as many as 44 AMFI registered mutual fund houses which together offer more than 2,500 mutual fund schemes. The mutual fund AUM today stands at 30 lakh crore. But if we speak about the global numbers, this number is minuscule. The total global AUM, that is assets under management, exceed 100 trillion US as on date. So in India, the mutual fund industry has a long way to go. Mutual funds can be classified primarily as open-ended mutual funds which are perpetual in nature and do not have a maturity date, and closed-ended mutual funds which have a specific tenure and a fixed maturity date. Prematurity is not possible. Another way to categorize mutual fund is on the basis of management type. Actively managed fund, where the fund manager actively buys and sells stocks of the companies as per the mandate of that scheme. And passively managed funds, which are mimic of an index like BSE or NSE, where the fund manager does not have any discretion on his own to invest in stocks. Further classification can be done on the basis of investment objective like equity oriented schemes, debt oriented schemes या hybrid oriented schemes. Going ahead, large cap equity schemes, mid cap equity schemes or small cap equity schemes. Similarly, in debt we can have short term, medium term and long term debt schemes. Now let us try to understand why mutual funds. Today, mutual funds is the best option available for retail investors like you and me, and even for beginners who want to look beyond traditional investment options of bank FD or PPF or post office. Mutual funds can really help them inculcate the habit of savings and investment. आज म्यूचुअल फंड में लमसम इन्वेस्टमेंट आप 5,000 रुपए से भी शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. Similarly, SIP यानी Systematic Investment Plan can be started with amount as low as 500 rupees. The auto debit facility of mutual funds is the best way to accumulate wealth and achieve your financial goal. म्यूचुअल फंड से गोल बेस्ड इन्वेस्टिंग पॉसिबल है। आप अपना रिटायरमेंट फंड, चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन फंड, वेकेशंस या कोई भी फंड क्रिएशन म्यूचुअल फंड्स के जरिए प्रॉपरली प्लान कर सकते हैं और अचीव भी कर सकते हैं। म्यूचुअल फंड्स help you diversify your portfolio not just in stock markets but also in bonds, government securities for retail investors like you and me. Today, ELSS यानी tax saving funds are one of the effective tax saving tools available and offer better returns than the traditional options. Fund managers who are industry experts manage your portfolio at a minuscule cost. Mutual funds का expense ratio 1 to 3% होता है, यानी जब आप 100 रुपए इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 97 to 98 रुपीज इन्वेस्ट होते हैं और 2 से 3 रुपए स्कीम के सारे एक्सपेंसेस कवर करते हैं। म्यूचुअल फंड्स में हाई लिक्विडिटी इज अवेलेबल एज दीज म्यूचुअल फंड्स कैन बी बॉट एंड सोल्ड ऑन द सेकेंडरी मार्केट्स। डिफरेंट एसेट एलोकेशन, डिफरेंट एसेट क्लासेस इज पॉसिबल ओनली इन म्यूचुअल फंड्स, क्योंकि म्यूचुअल फंड्स इक्विटी, डेट, गोल्ड, रियल एस्टेट, इंटरनेशनल फंड्स, ये सभी ऑप्शंस आपको अवेलेबल करते हैं। म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर रेगुलेटेड एंड गवर्न्ड बाय सेबी गाइडलाइंस, सो दे ऑपरेट अंडर अ प्रॉपर लीगल फ्रेमवर्क. Transparent functioning is another important point, as there is a defined 3-tier structure of sponsor, trust and asset management company. The sponsor launches the mutual fund and appoints trust for collection and monitoring of the funds. These funds are then managed by the asset management company based on the mandate of the scheme. Few points you need to be aware before investing in mutual funds. You have to completely rely and trust the mutual fund managers for your fund performance. Your investment risk depends on the mutual fund schemes selected by you. Specifically in equity mutual funds, due to volatility, investors' capital can go positive or even negative in short to medium term. Even though you have fund managers to manage your mutual fund portfolio, you need to first choose the right funds from the 2,500 different schemes available in India. So it definitely makes sense that you consult a proper financial advisor to choose the right mutual funds for you adapted to your goals. By far, mutual funds are one of the best ways of investing to create wealth and achieve your financial goals. म्यूचुअल फंड्स डिफरेंट एसेट क्लासेस में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, जैसे कि इक्विटी, डेट, गोल्ड, रियल एस्टेट. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन वीडियोस ऑन डेट, गोल्ड एंड रियल एस्टेट, एंड गोइंग अहेड we'll speak more about equity markets. Thank you for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Money Matters Talks. Write back to us with your feedback. Thank you.